In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Ally Bank mobile app in just a few simple steps. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, I've got you covered. Let's dive in and get started. First, grab your smartphone and unlock it. The first step to downloading the Ally Bank app is to head over to your device's application store. If you're using an iPhone, this means you're looking for the App Store, whereas Android users will be heading to the Google Play Store. You can easily find these icons on your home screen or in your app drawer. Just tap on the one that you need and it will open up the store for you. Once you've opened the App Store or the Play Store, you'll notice a search bar typically located at the top of the screen. This is where you'll specify what you're looking for. So go ahead and tap on that search bar. Then type in Ally Bank and hit the search button. This action will prompt the store to start searching its database for the Ally Bank app. After a moment, the search results should appear. Have a look through the list and you should see the Ally Bank mobile app among the top results. It's important to ensure you're selecting the official app, especially to maintain the safety and security of your financial details. The official app will be listed with Ally Financial Inc. as the developer, and you'll notice the recognizable Ally Bank logo. Tap on the app listing to proceed. Once you've selected the Ally Bank app, you'll be taken to the app's information page where you'll find details such as the app's description, user reviews, and screenshots of what the app looks like in action. If everything looks good, you're ready for the final step. All that's left to do now is click that install button. For iPhone users, it might be labeled as Get, and you might need to confirm with a fingerprint, a Face ID scan, or by entering your Apple ID password. Similarly, Android users might be asked to confirm the installation via their Google account. Once you've confirmed your choice, the app will begin to download and install onto your device. The progress bar will show you when the installation is complete, and once it is, you should see the icon added to your home screen or app drawer. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded the Ally Bank mobile app onto your smartphone. Remember to open the app and enter your credentials to get started with managing your finances right from the palm of your hand. Thank you for joining me in this step-by-step guide, and I hope you find using the app both easy and convenient. Happy banking!